Okay, in this question, we're going to find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the function at the given value x equal -3. So as you know, that slope equals dy over dx evaluated at x equal -3. So this means what I write here means that compute the derivative. So step 1, compute dy over dx. That means derivative. So compute dy over dx. Okay, let's do that here. So I'm going to take this function and find the derivative of dy over x, represent the derivative. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So each term need a derivative, right? So the derivative of this guy is you bring the 4 here. So we're using the power rule. Bring the 4 up front, 4 times, and subtract 1 from the power of x, which will be 4 minus 1, 3, plus. And for this one, so we bring the 3 here, so therefore we multiply this 3 with the coefficient of x cubed, so 3 times 3, 9, and we subtract 1 from the power, so it's 2, minus, and we do same thing here, so this is 1 times 2, that's 2, and then we subtract 1 from the power, so it becomes x to the 0. And derivative of a constant is always 0, so you can just put here minus 0. Which, you may prefer not just to put it. If there's a constant, derivative is always 0, so you can just ignore that. Okay, now let's just simplify this if possible. So we have dy over dx equal, it is 4x cubed, and then 9x squared minus 2x to the 0. But x to the 0, I just want to, I carry it here, I copy here so I can show you in the future. So you can, this is just 1, right? X to the 0 is 1. In the future, if you have a constant time x, so like if there is, and as an example, if you have 9x, then derivative of this one is just 9. So you just take this coefficient, right? Or if you make, let's say, 5 over 4x, derivative of such thing will always be the constant. Okay? When you subtract 1 from 1, you get x to the 0, and that's always 1. Okay, so I will write it like this, dy over dx equal 4x cubed plus 9x squared minus 2. Now, step 2 is evaluate this. Step 2, evaluate this. Evaluate dy over dx at x equals -3, which means just plug -3 into each x here. And that will be 4 times -3 cubed plus 9 times -3 squared minus 2, which is 4 times -27 plus 9 times 9, -2. Okay, 4 times -27, that's -108. And 9 times 9, that's 81. 2. So that's just a basic algebra problem, or you can just use your calculator to simplify that if you want. So -108 plus 81, that's -27. So if you add these two, so you're basically going to subtract 81 and keep the sign of the bigger number. So that's -27. Then we have a -2, so this will be -29 overall. And that is called the slope of the tangent line at x equals -3. Okay, so thank you for asking the question. So please keep asking more questions if you have any. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see more videos from other users. Thank you.